excited, because I got these two packages. I just picked them up today. Let's start with the little one. And I don't know where my scissors are. I feel like getting a knife, so. Ooh, it's a mysterious, shiny bag. And look at that. It's an ADT pool. It's already open. Is there a key? Shit, okay. There's no key. I'm gonna have to buy one later, but here's the ADT pool. Yeah, that's that. And this is a conventional one, so model 5060S, conventional. Yeah, it's kind of in rough condition, but you know, whatever. And it's spring loaded, so that's cool. Here's what I'm most excited for. Gosh, that's heavy. It's a notifier, SFP10UD. Why did I get this if I already have a panel? Actually, I accidentally fried my 5ED. I saw this 10UD rebrand on eBay for $200, so I got it. And it also outputs filter DC instead of that FWR crap, so now I can finally stop avoiding Simplex products. It even came with all its resistors. Oh wow, these buttons are really clicky, because I'm used to the 5ED ones being all mushy. Again, here are those battery things. And here's the model, SFP10UD. So yeah, let's get this thing plugged in. Yeah, for some reason the LCD is not working. The panel works, you know, that's great and all. But there's just something up with that LCD screen. I'll figure it out later, but for now, here's a demonstration, I guess. Let's reset this. I don't have a key, so right now I'm using tape. I'm gonna have to buy a B key later. So yeah. That's it. Alright, I'm back. I just tried to power it on again, sort of try and mess with it, I guess. And I saw that the little plastic thing in there was loose, like sort of shuffling around. So I tried to adjust it, you know, to get it centered. Also, it's absolutely disgusting. And then I barely pushed on that LCD screen, and it just fell through. I now see the problem. It's literally falling apart. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna have to probably use parts from that old panel in that box. So yeah. Alright, so the problem was that the entire LCD circuit board was falling out and the pins disconnected. So as you can see, all the screws are off. I had to take off the motherboard and then squeeze it back in. So yeah, now it works perfectly fine. And look. eBay test alarm. I did not put that in there. That just came from the seller. So yeah, that's it.